Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. 'Cause not a lot of...
Alright, so we're going to jump right into this tutorial. I'm not going to talk all the way through it, but I am going to start off this look with transition shades using Zulu and Burkina from the Masquerade palette. To carve out my crease, again, I have hooded eyes, so I'm taking the color up above my crease, going in with a deeper, like a reddish brown shade, just to add more definition to the crease from that same palette. This is the shade Ada. Next, I'm going to go in with Fulani, which is a darker brown, and I'm going to put that in the outer V and in the inner portion of my eye. This is to frame the eye for that spotlight halo effect that we're going for. So that first brush that I was using was a Morphe 329 blending brush, that one right there. And then the other brush that I switched to for Fulani, that was the e.l.f. crease brush. So now I'm going in with some concealer. I don't remember if this was beige or natural, pure beige. It's just a super light concealer. And this is where I'm going to kind of carve out that spotlight area or that halo effect. And I'm just going to blend it out with a flat concealer brush. This one is by BH Cosmetics. Then you'll see me going with a cosmetic wedge just to blend it out some more and take off any excess product. I don't have much of a voice, guys. I know I sound crazy, so again, I'm not going to talk through the whole tutorial, but I slowed it down a bit so you guys can see every step. It's pretty much just a lot of blending. Now that the base is down, I'm going to put the color on the lid and then just blend it back in. Hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. And until next time, be blessed.
Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. 'Cause not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy. 'Cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like... And it feels like... And it feels like... But you don't know why. You don't know why. You don't know why. You don't know why. And it feels like... And it feels like you don't know my name. My name. My name. You don't know my name. Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you, 'cause not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy, 'cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like and it feels like and it feels like but you don't know why. But you don't know why. But you don't know why.
And y'all know I'm super big on blending. I like everything to look seamless. I don't want you to see any lines, at least for me. I'm just going for natural. And do y'all see like this foundation looks like my skin? And I need to blend out my eyeshadow some more, but I tried this spotlight eye. I don't know. I don't think I did the best job of blending it. You know, no, I think what I did was I didn't do a good job actually of blending out my concealer when I kind of laid out the space for the spotlight. I should have blended out the edges of the concealer better than I did, because I feel like it's kind of stark. Y'all let me know. Eyes all right? Live you learn, right? Makeup is practice. So, okay, so now I need to fix